I think I just found my profitable strategy. What's up guys, it's your man Tricky T, and I'm an artist currently trading Forex to fund my music career, and my goal for this year is $100,000. Come with me on this journey. If you're new here, please like, comment, subscribe, share the video. It helps. Thank you. Now, I'm trading Forex for a few months, and during this time, I have taken losses. I have taken losses and losses, right? But in the last few weeks, I've been learning something, and I think it's a strategy that has helped me make some money. So I'm making some small money now, $20, $10, $78, just like that. And this strategy is really simple and straightforward. It is the trend line strategy. Now, I've been learning this from this trader I follow a lot. Her name is Tori Trades. She talks a lot about this, and she has a lot of videos, so you can go and watch her, binge watch her, you know, right? But I've been learning from this, and it has been helping my trade. So I've been taking trades, like I think I now know what I'm doing more. And I've been trying different strategies, and I've been losing money. But I think this one is resonating with me right now because I've been using it for like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 2 weeks now, right? And it's not been so bad. Now the cool thing is I don't enter every trade, but I just analyze the market, and I watch, and then most times it goes in the direction of my analysis, and I do this with trend lines. Now, we all know trend lines. It's just my own 2 naira knowledge on trend lines. There are a lot of videos on YouTube you can watch about trend lines, but this is what I just understand. You know, when the market is moving in a particular direction, right, we connect the wicks of the market in regards to that direction. So if it's like an uptrend, we draw the wicks below, you know, we draw the trend line below, you know, the candlestick movements, connecting the wicks, right? And then every time the market comes and touches that wick, if it respects the trend line, it goes up, right? It goes in the direction. You know, it could be an uptrend, it could be a downtrend, whichever one, right? But I'm just learning, and it's really amazing. One thing I've learned is that trend lines, they help me understand. Like, I know where the market is, where the direction of the market. So if it's an uptrend and it's going and it's going and it's going, if it comes down and it touches the wick, a lot of times, not a lot of times, sometimes it would respect it and go back up. So at that point, I touches it and it's going back up, I enter the trade, right? And then I put my stop losses below the trend line, you know. And it's been working. Not every time. I still take some losses, but I've been able to see me make some profits trading, and it's so encouraging. And that's why I said probably this might be my strategy. I'll try this out for a few more weeks and then see how far it takes me and how much I'm able to make. Probably might even help me pass my prof challenge that I'm on right now. This is really great news for me. It's amazing to try something that's worked, you know, a couple of times. Like I've used it more than once and it worked. So I'm really happy about it. And so I'm learning more on this strategy. You know, if it's something that you want to do too, you could look for more videos online to watch as regards trend lines, you know, and I'm really enjoying it right now. I'm in a very good place, you know. That's what's up. Anyway, that's the update, and thank you for watching this video. As usual, like I said, the goal is $100,000 trading Forex. I'm used to this, but nothing is impossible. We will get there. Please follow, like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me your strategy that you use to make money. Tell me, what is your own strategy that you use, you know, to trade the market? Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.